Are you struggling to keep up with the demands of managing multiple projects? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, project management can feel overwhelming. But fear not, because AI technology is here to revolutionize your workflow. Welcome to our video on top AI tools for project management. Today we'll explore cutting-edge AI solutions that will transform how you approach project management, making your life easier and more efficient. First up, we have Trello with AI enhancements. Trello is a classic, but with AI, it now offers predictive task management. Imagine knowing which tasks need your attention before they become a bottleneck. This tool not only streamlines your workflow, but also optimizes team collaboration. Next on our list is Asana's AI-powered insights. Asana uses machine learning to provide insightful analytics. It helps you prioritize tasks by learning from your past projects, ensuring you focus on what truly matters. Say goodbye to missed deadlines and hello to increased productivity. Our third tool is Monday.com with AI automations. This platform uses AI to automate repetitive tasks. From sending reminders to updating project statuses, Monday.com takes care of the mundane so you can focus on strategic planning. Moving forward, we have ClickUp's AI-driven time tracking. This tool tracks your time automatically, offering suggestions to improve your work habits. It's like having a personal productivity coach, helping you maximize every minute. Finally, let's talk about Smartsheet's AI-powered forecasting. Smartsheet predicts project outcomes using AI, allowing you to foresee potential challenges and adjust your plans accordingly. It's the ultimate tool for proactive project management. So there you have it, 5 remarkable AI tools that can significantly enhance your project management skills. Each one addresses a specific challenge, helping you work smarter, not harder. But don't just take our word for it. Try these tools out yourself and experience the difference AI can make. Ready to transform your project management strategy? Dive in and discover how AI can propel you towards success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of technology and project management. See you in the next video.